Hi everyone. So today's meal is going to be honey glazed chicken stir fry. So in your meal boxes, you should have chicken, honey, vinegar, orange juice, coconut aminos, onion, cauliflower, collards, peppers, and brown rice. So for some nutritional information, chicken is a great source of protein, which is necessary for muscle growth, bone health, and immune functioning. Protein is also good for keeping you full. Chicken is also a great source of dietary collagen, which promotes hair growth and skin health. And it also has a good amount of B vitamins, which support energy, metabolism, and brain function. Honey is rich in antioxidants, which have anti inflammatory effects and can help in preventing chronic diseases. It is also a natural cough suppressant as it is soothing on the throat. It has also been shown to promote wound healing due to anti inflammatory and antibacterial effects. Honey is also a good source of energy with carbohydrates from glucose and fructose. Vinegar may improve blood sugar regulation through increasing insulin sensitivity and slowing down digestion of certain starches and carbohydrates. It also contains probiotics or beneficial bacteria that can promote a healthy digestion and a healthy gut microbiome. And it may provide weight loss benefits as it can contribute to an overall feeling of fullness. Orange juice has vitamin C, which is good for immune support. It also has some sugar, which is good for energy. Coconut aminos have significantly less sodium content or salt content than soy sauce. They contain antioxidants, which are good for preventing inflammation and protecting cells from damage. They also contain probiotics, which are good for digestion and maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. Then onions are rich in antioxidants, which again have anti-inflammatory effects. They also have certain compounds that can help in blood sugar regulation, and they may provide some immune support through natural antibacterial effects. Onions also have prebiotics, which aid in digestion by supporting a healthy gut microbiome. And cauliflower is vitamin dense and has vitamins C and K, which are good for bone health and immune support. It is also high in fiber, which supports digestion and helps to keep you full. It has antioxidants for preventing inflammation and contains choline, which supports brain health and can help with memory and cognition. Then collards are another great source of antioxidants. They're also a great source of many vitamins, including vitamins A, K, C, and folate, which are good for bone health, eye health, and immune support. They are also high in fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Then bell peppers are rich in vitamins, especially vitamin A and C, which support the immune system. They also help in reducing inflammation due to antioxidants. Anti-inflammatory effects and antioxidants are also beneficial in reducing risk for chronic diseases. And bell peppers are also a good source of fiber, which is beneficial for digestion, weight management, and regular bowel movements. Brown rice is also high in fiber. Another benefit of fiber is lowering cholesterol, so it can provide some heart health benefits. Brown rice also contains B vitamins, which support energy and metabolism. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoy your meal.